Sup guys? So today we're gonna make a cooking videos.
Yeah.
But Poon is not here because he learned international school, so he came late.
Yeah.
So
low taper pay, low taper pay. The meme is massive.
Okay,
this is all stuff we have. A plate for sauce, sauce and cheese.
Knife.
A knife. Thing that we use to cut things, I guess.
Yes.
The microwave.
Bro, it's microwave, bro. Why you don't know the name?
The name.
Microwave, bro.
Kind of like microwave. We have bread. Fan.
Bread. Fuck. Bro, I can't open it.
You didn't have to cut me off. I can know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger.
Oh shit.
Trade.
Okay, here's bread. How the hell am I gonna open this?
You didn't have to cut me off. I can know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you
Do we have to use a knife?
Okay.
Oh, cut it a little bit. No, not much. Don't. No much.
Yes.
Yep. Ribbit. Yeah, there we got a bread.
Okay. You make two.
We use four of it. So
Get back.
we're gonna use like pizza, kind of pizza and grilled cheese. Are we gonna do grilled cheese too?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have to use four bread.
Okay.
Four of it. Bro, four of it.
Bro.
Wait, wait. Here's the thing, you know. No! Put a sauce in it
Okay. Not much.
and put it back. Oh.
What the
We have to censor off this, bro, a lot.
You didn't have to cut me off. You didn't have to cut me off.
Bro!
You didn't have to cut me off.
Still eatable. It's like 5-second rules, bro.
You didn't have to cut me off. Know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so loved.
Okay, sauce.
Okay, yeah.
Bro, give me the cheese.
Bro, more sauce.
Give me the cheese.
Bro.
In your bag.
Okay, fine. Okay. Say. Okay. And okay, next.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I feel like it's like lunchly,
Yes.
but homemade.
Yep. Okay. Okay, now. Wait. Go.
What are you doing, bro? That's not pizza. That's sandwich.
Yes.
Wait, we're gonna do sandwich pizza.
Yes.
Oh,
Good idea.
so one sandwich is one pizza sandwich and one is normal grilled cheese, right?
Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay, we add more sauce.
More sauce.
We're gonna use off sauce, so not no waste.
Bro. Okay. Light drawing. Bro, I ever do pizza but sandwich.
I like to do like real pizza.
I think it's good idea. Okay. And bro, cheese.
Homemade Ransley. Okay, then we put this.
Yeah.
And another one is grilled cheese. Okay, right now we gonna put this
Yes.
in this microwave. Ah, nice and perfect. Oh,
Oh.
nice and perfect. I hope it's not catch on fire.
Okay.
So we put on temperature of 200 degrees and let's try 5 minutes first.
Okay.
So guys, I see a smoke and let's see if it's a surprise or no.
Oh fuck. What happened? Oh.
Like nothing happened. Like I guess it's normal.
Oh, whoa, whoa, hot. Bro, it's hot.
Okay, let's put it back on.
Oh. What happened?
So guys, we overcooked it and we don't know. Oh shit. Oh. So we overcooked it and it burns really bad and bad smell.
Whoa, bro.
Oh. Ah. So let's see.
Give me that.
Oh, good, in good conditions. Pizza one. You cut it, bro. Just chop it. Chop. Let's see. Do we have a cheese pool? Pull it. Oh my god, bro! You missed a cheese pool. Oh yes. Put it on top. Bro. How you eat it?
I don't know.
Let me cut this one. Let me cut. Bro, wait. Yes. Wait. Move it, bro.
Okay. I'm a true. Whoa.
Oh, cheese pool.
Okay, bro. Okay. What we will eat first?
Let's try grilled cheese first. Okay, you try first.
Whoa.
Ooh. How does it taste?
Your shit. Okay, your shit.
Okay, my turn. Bread with cheese.
Yes.
Good.
Okay. And wait. My rating, I think 7/10.
Mine is 5. And I forgot one thing. Butter.
Yeah, bro, it's
You didn't have to cut me off.
Without sauce. Cheese pool. Look at that cheese pool. How does it taste?
I like pizza, but we miss a Americano and pepperoni, bro.
Yeah, that's the reason. But at least it's good, bro. It's good grilled cheese pizza. It's like, let me try some.
Good.
Very good.
Okay. Goodbye. Okay.
See you next video.